over 600,000. The cost of energy is among the driving factors of inflation, and an opposition that cannot appreciate steps being taken to address this is not actively following the All Jamaica Consumer Price Index, nor acting in the best interests of Jamaicans. As I said at conference, performance over propaganda and misinformation. Firstly, in 2014, Jamaica was not the highest ranked country in the Caribbean for the Doing Business Index done by the World Bank. These statements made by the opposition's leader are false and is an attempt to rewrite history. The World Bank report is available online and gives evidence that Jamaica was ranked 94th in the world in 2014 and was ranked behind 10 other countries from Latin America and the Caribbean, including St. Lucia, Bahamas, Barbados, Dominica, Trinidad and Tobago, Trinidad and Antigua and Barbuda. We topped the region in 27 under this active government led by Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. To address the matters raised by the opposition regarding energy, I heard the opposition spokesperson on energy requesting a debate on energy. It is unfortunate that in his almost 20 years with the portfolio as minister or spokesperson, he has never advocated for the benefit of Jamaicans or debated the utility providers, but is seeking a contest of beautiful speaking. You will also recall, and I must remind my colleagues and Jamaica at large, just take the silence of the opposition during Berry, when I as minister and my government were actively out there fighting for the rights of the Jamaican people and, most importantly, the customers. As of 2022, 11.8% of our energy mix is from renewables, as published in the NSEC 2023 National Energy Balance Report. This is compared to the average 8% during the 2012 to 2016 period. The opposition was unable to surpass 8% during their administration. An active government has moved the needle against, again, performance over propaganda and misinformation. In his statement on Tuesday, the opposition spokesperson stated that by 2016, 60% of electricity was generated from LNG and about 20% from renewables. This is simply not true. LNG was introduced to the Jamaican energy mix in 2016, and there's no way on earth then that Paul Well could be claiming that Jamaica achieved 60% of electricity from LNG in 2016. Again, performance over propaganda and misinformation, and we can even stretch it to downright lies. I want to read an excerpt of the 2016 JPS annual statement to shareholders for the media. Liquid natural gas LNG now accounts for approximately 10% of JPS's production. 10% according to the JPS statement to their shareholders, which is also available online, not 60% as the opposition has stated. The habit of the PNP to peddle lies and propaganda must end, and the people of Jamaica must resist their misinformation, disinformation, and downright lies. Thanks to an active government.